So on these, I'm going to divide. If I set x minus 2 equal to 0, I get 2. Then I copy my coefficients, 1, 1, negative 4, negative 4. So my first number drops down 1, so 2, 3, 6, 2, positive 4. So negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So that's my x squared. So I have x squared plus 3x plus 2. And the directions say use division to determine if the given polynomial is a factor of f of x. If I get a 0, then it's a factor. Then it says use the result of the factor to factor the rest completely. So I gotta factor this. So if I factored, I'd have x and x. To get a 2, that's a 2 and a 1. For them to add to be positive 3, be positive 2, positive 1. And then I need to graph f of x. F of x is the original. So not only do I have x minus 2, but I have x plus 2 and x plus 1. So then it looks like problems 1 through 4, where I'm given a factored problem and I'm supposed to graph it. So negative 2, negative 1, positive 2. If you put that in the calculator, it would look like it would cross, cross, and cross. The number 8, I'm going to set my factor equal to 0. X plus 4 equals to 0. I'm going to have negative 4. And then I have my coefficients 1, 2, and negative 17, negative 18, and 72. So my first number comes down. I have 1, that's going to give me a negative 4. It's going to add to be negative 2. It's going to multiply to be positive 8. That's going to add to give me negative 9. Multiply to give me 36. Add to give me 18. Multiply to give me negative 72. And again, when I add these, I get 0. And x plus 4 worked out. So now I need to factor this. So that's my constant, my x squared, my x cubed. So I have x cubed minus 2x squared minus 9x plus 18. And I gotta factor this. So when I factor this, that's when we use the box. So I write my terms in left to right. X cubed, negative 2x squared, negative 9x, positive 18. So this one has an x squared. So that's x squared. This one has an x. X squared times x gives me x cubed. And then this is going to be negative 9. Negative 9 times x is negative 9x. So over here is going to be negative 2. X squared times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. So when I multiply it back out, it works. Negative 9 times negative 2 is positive 18. So x squared minus 9, x minus 2. If you notice, x squared minus 9 is a difference of squares. So x squared, that's x times x. 9 was 3 times 3. I need a plus 3 and a minus 3. So that's my factorization. X minus 3, x plus 3, x minus 2. And so all my factors, x plus 4, x plus 3, x minus 3, x minus 2. So negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, positive 2, positive 3. And if you put this in the calculator, you would see that it starts above, crosses, 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 crosses. Something like that. Little W shape to it. So for 9, 1 comes down, 1 times 1 is 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. If I add, I get 16. 16 times 1 is 16. I get a remainder of 0. So it leaves me x squared plus 8x plus 16. And I'm supposed to factor 16. 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 4 times 4. 4 plus 4 would give me 8. So my factor, x plus 4, x plus 4. And including my original. So I have x plus 4. There's 2 of them, so it's squared. Then x minus 1. So it's a negative 4 twice, and positive 1. So if you type this into the calculator, you would see that it starts out below, it bounces off negative 4, then it crosses at 1. So number 10, I have x to the 4th and x squared. I know I can take an x out. But x to the 4th is x times x times x times x. So that's x squared. That's x squared. So x to the 4th has an x squared in it. So I can take x squared out. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. Then if I take an x squared out, I'm just going to have 9. And so on the previous problem, on number 8, we said that x squared minus 9 was x plus 3, x minus 3. So my complete factorization, because it says completely, x squared, x plus 3, x minus 3. The number 11, notice there's a negative. And there's an x.